Okay, just another video real quick on one of my newer purchases. It's a stapler. Yeah, it's kind of weird, I know. But it's from 1929, I believe. That's just someone scratched it that owned it before me. And it works. It's in excellent condition. But here's the reason I bought it. See that? That spool of wire? That's the staples. And it actually punches them. See? It comes down and there's the wire. And it punches them. And it does work. I'll prove it. Here. See, here's just a piece of paper. Nothing special, or at least I hope it isn't. And there you go. There it's stapled. So, my stapler.